back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP Spectra X360 out. X360 है तो definitely it is very simple to say that it will be a 360 rotational gadget out here. So definitely you're going to see that version out there also. This variant out here has got really amazing specifications, amazing we can say things out there, because this gadget offers you a great range of specifications, as well as this gadget out here has got really amazing we can say featuring reviews out here by all other websites we can say. So इसकी review की बात करें तो customers have definitely given a good rating to this gadget. And now when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, let us talk about the specifications also. And now talking about the specifications, talking about what kind of gadget it is, it has got a good screen size of approximately 13 inch. Yes, 13 inch, or we can say 13.3 inch screen size is definitely good variant out there. So 13 inch का screen size है, which is definitely good. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a resolution of 1920 into 1080. So it can be set as an HD resolution out here. It is offering you HD resolution. Along with that, it offers you a good operational system, that is the operating system out here. Windows operating system is this. A professional operating system out here. Along with that, you get to have 64 bytes operation, offering you, or we can say it is powered by Core i7 processing. Along with that, it is coming with 8 GB RAM. So overall, if you talk about this, then this is a full package out here. Yes, this is an overall package out here, which is really good. Now let us talk about the dimensions also, like each and every kind of dimension. And talking about the dimensions, then we can say that it offers you a dimension of approximately 305 into 217 into 13. So 13 is the thickness out there, so very thin out there. As well as length and breadth are quite good out here. You will find that it is offering you a good length and breadth out there. Along with that, you get to see that this variant out here offers you a good range of gadget, because why it offers you good range of specifications. We can see that it is quite और लेटेस्ट वर्जन आउट है, यस 2019 वेरिएंट है, तो काफी ज्यादा इसमें अपग्रेडेड चीजें देखने को मिल रही हैं. As well as you also get to see that this variant out here offers you a weight of approximately 1.2 kg. So 1.2 kg is the weight out here. Overall, if you talk about this variant, then it is not very heavy weighted gadget out here. It is very light weighted gadget. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you 3-cell battery with lithium ion. So lithium ion cell could be seen out with 3-cell battery. Windows Professional Kit is there, and specifically pre-installed. If we talk, then Windows 10 is mostly used out in this variant. So overall, it is really good to say that this product is working very good and very well out here. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that the resolution out here is also good. That is the HD resolution. You might not find that it is touch screen. Yes, you might not find touch screen gadget, but we can say that the 2019 variant is definitely an increased and a better variant out here. Whereas the Spectrum series is definitely one which was not approximately very good. But yes, 2019 में बहुत ज़्यादा upgradation हुआ है, and definitely you're going to see one of the good version. Later on, yes, it was upgraded out here to have a touch variant also. Since it can be rotational, it is 360 degree out है. So rotational है, तो rotational में हम use करते हैं इसका touch pad out. Definitely the touch pad is being used. Now let us talk about the processing. Which kind of processor it is using? It is using Intel Core processor out there with a cache memory of 6 MB. So cache memory of 6 MB could be seen out here, and 8 GB RAM could be seen. So overall, the quality is really good. But talking about the quality and everything out here, we can say that graphic processor is an important part, because it offers you the good look, we can say, or offers you great range of specifications. Talking about the graphical processor, it offers you Intel HD UHD graphic out there. So Intel UHD is being used, Ultra HD, Intel integrated UHD graphics is used. And if we talk about which one, then it can be said at 620 out there. It does not uses hard drive. That does not mean that it does not have hard drive storage. Yes, it has hard drive storage, but it offers you SSD type storage. So SSD type storage should be seen out here, offering you 256 GB storage. So 256 GB storage should be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a good range of connectivity. It offers you a great range of Bluetooth connectivity. Along with that, it offers you touchpad, USB connectivities, audio connectivities, Bluetooth connectivity, power connectors out there. Everything could be done. Now, talking about the connectivity, so inbuilt connectivity if we talk about, then it has got a good stereo type speakers and microphones out there. Talking about the gadget out here, it is really good to say that this gadget offers you great range of specifications and everything out there. Now let us talk about the pricing also, and for pricing let us visit out this website, that is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you great range of specifications, great range of gadgets out there. And talking about the gadgets, then we can say that this site offers you a good range of products. This site offers you a great range of deals out there because it offers you huge amount of savings in your pocket friendly rates. Now, when we talk about this site also offers you a category that is customizability category. You can customize your gadgets accordingly. Yes, this site offers you customizability. You can customize your gadgets accordingly. Now, talking about this site, let us talk about the gadget we were talking right now. So we have the result out here. This is the first and the second out there. This is with i-Core 5. This is with Intel 8th generation i-Core 5. So you will customize accordingly. Yes, this is the thing we were talking about, customizability option. But both the gadgets are with the condition refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and let us see what are refurbished products all about. Talking about the refurbished product, or we can say the refurbished brand out there, or refurbished gadgets, we can say that refurbished products are nothing else but they are brand new type. Yes, these are brand new like gadgets, as well as we can say that these have the same designs, same functionalities, as well as they have got the same testing. So this is absolutely newly live product and brand new live product, we can say. Now, when we talk about the refurbished products or certified refurbished products, we can say that both the categories have the same functionalities, as well as their testing is same, but the difference out here lies in the ownization, that is the pre-ownization of a gadget. When we talk about brand new products, then they are usually pre-owned by the company itself. Yes, they are from the company. Whereas when we talk about refurbished products, they are from a user out there. They are not pre-owned by the company. They are pre-owned by the users. Now let us talk about the pathway also. And when we talk about the pathway, this is the pathway followed by the brand new products. They follow the common pathway, that is the base, mediator, and the consumer. Whereas when we talk about the brand new products, we can say that the brand new products offers out a pathway which is like company is the base out here which releases that gadget in the market, whereas the marketplace is the mediator bridge out here which is offering you that gadget out there, which acts as a mediator. After that, it comes out to the user. It comes to the user for after buying it. So the product is pre-owned or is owned by a user now. This ends here the brand new product. Yes, once the gadget is pre-owned, this brand new pathway is ended out there. Now moving on, what is the next pathway? What is the next thing out here? How you get to see that brand new products are offering you a better and different version? Then extension to this is the refurbished product. Yes, extension to this will be refurbished product. Talking about the refurbished product, we can say that once the gadget is pre-owned, once you have that gadget, once the gadget is with you, then it is to be resold if you want to resell it. Yes, now the user wants to resell, is bored off and wants to resell that gadget. Then it is brought back to a marketplace where it is being resold. Yes, now it is being resold and it is brought up in the market out here. Once it is brought up in the market, tested, verified, and categorized as refurbished, it is sold off to the new user. Yes, now it is sold off to a new user. This is what happens in refurbished. Now the difference lies out in the testing sites, testing timing, we can say, testing place, we can say. Brand new products are usually tested and verified by different sites before company launches it into the market. Whereas the refurbished products are tested, verified at the same place before being resold. Yes, the site which is going to resell it tests and verifies it before selling it off. So this is what happens in brand new and refurbished products. The major difference out there. But it offers you same functionalities, it offers you same structurality, same testing. So what are these tests all about? Let us talk about these testing also. Talking about these testing, these test parameters or the parameters which are included to know what kind of design it has or what kind of gadget it is. It offers you two types of testing, that is external testing and internal testing. Talking about the external testing, we can say that external testing or the external parameters are nothing else but the parameters which are included or which have just the outer structure design in it, which can be tested through eyes, or like directly through eyes you can test, which does not require any software or highly designed equipments out there, as well as you don't need any kind of a system out there which is there for testing it. Apart from that, you can say that it is a quick testing out there. Yes, the testing out here is really quick. Now talking about this quick testing and everything, let us talk about the factors which are included here. Externally, what you get to see, externally you get to see that it offers you what kind of design, dimensions, scratches, display, what kind of display, battery life, connectors out there, USB, SD card reading connectors, audio input output jack connectors, any kind of connectors out there. Keyboard, keys, whether keys are functional or not, they are properly intact or not. Everything has to be checked. Then the touchpad it has, and what is it working or not? Gestures are being controlled or not. Apart from that, if it's a rotational keyboard, that is two-in-one keyboard laptop out there, so whether it's working in that way or not, weight of that gadget, the and overall look of that gadget, everything has to be checked. After this has crossed the external parameters, externally it is very good. We come to the internal parameters, and now talking about the internal parameters, we can say that internal parameters require a lot of more precise results, because it requires softwares, it requires highly equipped gadgets, as well as these are the testing for the very minute components, that are the internal components in it, which cannot be tested through eyes. They need highly designed gadgets out there. After that, you get to see it is slightly time consuming, because it might take slight time out there. Now, what are these factors all about? Like, you have the internal processor, the CPU, GPU out there, chip systems out there, these kind of things. Graphics out there, internal colorization out there, the camera quality, recording out there, the resolution out there, everything. Battery life, then the battery is made up of which kind of a component. Then the connectivity is out there, the overall screen out there, everything, every small, big internal component has to be checked. Like the storage, what kind of storage it offers, everything has to be checked. Now, once it is brought out of this context that it has passed all the parameters, now it is absolutely ready to use. it is named as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now, what happens if it fails in any one of the parameter? What would happen if it fails? If it fails in any one of the parameter, then it is brought back and has to be renewed or replaced with the original products. No duplicate, no unknown parts. All the original products have to be used. Original parts have to be used out there. Now talking about the benefits, because there has to be some really amazing benefits, so that we are discussing about this. So there are definitely few benefits of having a refurbished product. Number one is the rate. Yes, if you talk about the rating, then you get to have pocketable rates. You know that brand new products are actually expensive. They are slightly expensive out here, whereas refurbished products offer you a pocketable rate, pocket friendly rates out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing, there is a difference. So you get to see a great amount of savings also. Yes, you can save if you shop with refurbished categories. You get to save a lot of money out there. You get to save a good amount of savings there. You can save. Now we all know that refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets, and usually pre-owned gadgets do not offer any warranty period. Now talking about this warranty period, talking about this one, then we know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty with exchange policy. Whereas if you talk about refurbished products, do they offer the same? Yes, offerings are absolutely same out here. They offer you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy under the category of refurbished. So you really get to have warranty also exchange policy, which we generally don't see in pre-owned gadgets if they do not offer any conditions. Now let us talk about this site again. Let us go back to the site once again. We were talking about just at click.com. Yes, we were talking at just at click.com. We were at this site. The site name just at click, it itself says you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets, because it offers you really amazing products out here, amazing gadgets out there. So you get to have a large collection of your gadgets, a huge collection of your gadgets from renowned brands. It offers you great deals because you get to have a great amount of pocketable rates. Yes, the gadgets are in very pocketable rates. Since they are offering you great pricing out here, not very heavy pricing or pocketable rates, so you can save a good amount of savings. So definitely savings is there. You get to have a good amount of savings. Apart from that, it offers you 6 months warranty period. Yes, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Most of the products are under the condition of refurbished. Yes, it offers you refurbished condition, which offers really great amount of savings, everything out there. Apart from that, it offers you a free home delivery, money back guarantee, and online support system. Since it is an online support system offering and an online website, so it offers you hassle free shopping. And since it's a hassle free shopping, so no amount, or we can say no problem, is often offered out here. As well as when you talk about this website, then we can say it offers you COD, which is cash on delivery, and free shipping. Along with that, you get to have customizability option also. For gadgets, like for laptops, you can customize your gadgets according to your needs. So for that, you can check out the website, and the description link has been given in the link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.